Welcome back, everyone. I've discovered a way to create any images for free, whether they're realistic or anime. So without further ado, let's get started. We will do this work with Shaker AI. You can see there are many models here, including animated and realistic ones. We can see Shaker AI has more Asian models, which sets it apart from others. Let's try this realistic model. These are the realistic images generated by this model. Click on the Run Model option to enter the AI generator terminal. Here, on the top right side, you need to write a prompt. Whatever you type will be generated as a realistic image. And you can add lora to give extra effects to the generated images. After selecting the ratio of the image, I will simply click on Generate. Here we have our image. Look how realistic the result is, just like a real person in a garden. If you want similar images like this, you can simply click on Reference Image. The images this website provides are so realistic. The best part about this website is that Shaker AI allows users to upload and download stable Diffusion 3-based models, a feature not available on Civitai or most other image generators. This capability provides the best images possible. Let's try entering one more prompt for a wonderful car. We got our images. How are they? Let me know in the comments section, and you can also simply download these images. Just like this, you can generate many realistic images. See these beautiful, realistic Asian women? It seems like these images are photoshopped with a high-quality camera. Now, let's move to the anime image section. We will try to create beautiful anime images that we can use in any project. First, we have to select a model. You will find many models of all types. I will go with this one. It seems good to me. After scrolling down, you can see images generated with the help of that AI model. This will give you a good understanding of how it works. To begin, enter the image generator terminal. The process is simple. Paste your prompt on the right side in the prompt box, select the size, and hit Generate. Look at the high-quality, beautiful results we got. You can see the detailing in the images we generated. The level of detail and quality in these anime images is truly impressive, making them perfect for any project you might have. Let me show you by upscaling this image. Alternatively, you could say we will convert this anime style to a realistic style with just one click. We can upscale this image into any type, like realistic, animated, or 3D. You can try any model. Let's try this one. And you can also add lora, low-rank adaptation. This will give extra effects to your images, depending on what type of lora you're selecting. After applying these adjustments, we got our results, and they are stunning. Look at this cute anime girl. The added effects from the lora have really brought out the charm and detail in the image. If you are an architect and work in the field related to infrastructure, then you've got a master tool because this AI can generate the best interiors and outdoor infrastructure designs and images. This can help you a lot with your projects. Let's try it out with this model. The process is the same. Paste the prompt and simply hit Generate. If you struggle with prompts, don't worry. I will pin some prompts in the comments section for your reference. And please don't forget to subscribe. We got the results. Did you know that creating these 3D images would typically cost you around $100? The images are stunning. Let's try other models. There are many available, ranging from Japanese architecture to New York cityscapes and modern landscapes. The level of detail in these images can provide valuable insights and inspiration for your projects. After selecting a model, simply enter your prompt and hit Generate. Look at the image we got. It's stunning. The royal touch it gives adds a sense of elegance. This tool is incredibly versatile and useful for a wide range of people, from architects and designers. Here, you can also create promotional images for your products. Just enter a prompt for your product and you will get it. You can also remove the background or objects from your images if you want. Simply select the Object Remover option. Cover the part of the image you want to remove, and it will be gone. There are many options here. You can also create various illustrations. With this tool, you can generate many beautiful images. You can access these AI features for only $8. There is also a free version with some limitations. Click on the link in the description to get exclusive deals. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.